Okay, today we're doing the unboxing of the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. This is not the 4G version. This is just the regular Wi-Fi version. And you're wondering why. Well, for the 4G S3 Frontier version, the only way to take advantage of it, I know on AT&T, I don't know about Verizon or any of the other carriers, but with AT&T, it's a $10 per month add-on to whatever phone plan that you have through AT&T. And then you are able to use the 4G on here and use it as a sole device all by itself. But anyway, this got the 1.3 inch screen, and for reference, we have a 1.56 inch, I think it's 1.56, I don't know, 1.5 inch screen here on the Motorola 2015 Gen 2 46 millimeter 360. So let's get into it. This is the unboxing video of the Gear S3 Frontier by Samsung. So this is how it comes with this plastic wrap around it. And it's got two security stickers here. So you gotta love the security stickers that they put on these devices now, so that they know you did in fact unbox it. Oh, that's nifty. It's got a little hole there. So it comes already on its magnetic charger. So this is how it comes. It comes on its charger, which is magnetic. Go ahead and wait for that to power on. Let's go see and check what's inside the box here. Okay, we've got the charging cable for the wireless magnetic charger. Got the charger itself. Got a smaller band, comes in the box. And then of course we've got the quick start guide inside of its own sleeve here. And this has been the unboxing video of the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. I'll have a review video coming up within the next couple of days, so stay tuned.